Hello everyone. So if you guys can go to example 5 in your notes, so on example 5, we're going to work through this problem together. So this problem tells us we have a fluorine ion and it has 10 electrons and 11 neutrons. And it's asking us to write the chemical symbol. So as you remember, you'll sometimes hear it be called a chemical symbol, sometimes a nuclear symbol. So what we're going to do is we're going to first figure out this symbol. So if we look, we know that fluorine is F. So that should be the first thing that we write down. Then if we look at the periodic table and you find the atomic number, that'll tell us the number of protons. So we look there, we should see it has an atomic number of 9. We know the atomic number goes in the bottom left-hand corner. Okay, so we now have fluorine with the atomic number of 9. We read the problem, it tells us we have 10 electrons and 11 neutrons. Well, we know the mass number is equal to the two particles that contain a mass, so our protons and our neutrons. Remember, we're not including electrons in the mass because they have a mass of 0 AMU. So we're going to take 9 for our protons, and we're going to add that to our 11 electrons, giving us a total mass number of 20. Now we have to look at the charge, which goes in the upper right-hand corner. If you remember, the two particles that have charges are the protons, which are positive, and the electrons, which are negative. So the formula that we're going to use is our protons minus electrons, and that'll give us our charge. So PEC. Okay, so we're going to take our protons, which we said was 9, subtract that from the electrons that it gives us, which is 10, which will give us a -1 charge. You can either write just a plain negative sign, or you can put the -1. Either way is correct. Please come to class with any questions about this material.